Good morning. Britain has voted today to leave the European Union. A narrow majority in favour of Brexit surprised many commentators.
But for the Leave campaigners, this is seen as the resurrection of an independent Britain.
The vote to leave the European Union has changed everything. People in Wales have spoken, and whether you voted to leave or to remain, you have a right to expect your politicians to secure the best possible deal for Wales. Plaid Cymru's position during the referendum was made clear to everyone. The outcome was not the one we would have hoped for. Our country has faced many challenges. We've always come out the other side. To come out of this situation stronger, Wales needs a clear plan and decisive leadership. We must take full advantage of future opportunities. To do this, Wales needs vision and confidence. You can be assured that the Party of Wales won't stand by and allow this country to go backwards, economically or politically. On the economy, we will fight for every single job that relies on the European single market. Nearly 200,000 jobs are dependent on Wales exporting to our neighbours. Every one of those is precious. Many of those jobs pay good salaries, which are essential to our communities. Politically, we cannot stand aside and allow the UK government to weaken our national institutions and collective voice. The Tories have harmed Wales before. We cannot allow them to harm us again. I spoke with many people during and after the referendum campaign. People are not happy with the way things are. They are fed up of losing services, fed up of not being in control of their own lives. We understand you want to see things change. You want more decisions taken closer to home. And more than anything, you want hope. Politics should work for people. Plaid Cymru will prove to you that it can. Wales can thrive and prosper. Join us on this journey so that we can go forward stronger.